Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing some electronics repair tools. I've told in another video that I'd be doing an unboxing on these, and today I will be doing it. And as always guys, you're in charge. Thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't like the video. You're in charge. Click whichever thumb you want. Alright, now let's open it up and see what they look like. There we go. Get a look at this bag before I break it down. Open it up. This is the Zacro 18-in-1 professional opening or prying tool repair kit. This is what it looks like. All right. And this is the next one right here. This is from EKM Tools. And let me open it up here. This is a 64-bit Is a 64-bit driver kit, screwdriver set. Okay, and it has magnetic tip bits. Okay, so let me get the plastic off of it here. And one of the reasons I got this one was because it has this case. The other one didn't have a case, but this one had a case, so I got this version because I like to keep my tools in a organized spot. You know, I don't have to look everywhere for them. Now, I hope you guys can see this here, but this is what's included. Go through this real quick. It won't take long, but it shows what's included. First, here is the nut driver, the hex, pantalobe, square, torque security, tri-point, Phillips, triangle, flathead, posi drive, spanner, sim eject bit, inverted cross sleeve bit, middle plate screwdriver, and then at this side it tells you the size of each. This is in every bit. Then it has different sizes accordingly. Okay, and it also has a flex extension for 4mm drive adapter, magnetized driver handle. Okay, all right, let's open it up. Take the top off. And this is what it looks like on the inside. This is the main handle here, and this is all your different bits and your adapters here. And this is the flex adapter here. Let me see if I can get that out of here. I might have to get my trusty sidekick for this, because this is in pretty deep in here. I don't know why, but let me pry it out of there. Here it is. This one's the flex bit. You can see I can bend it anywhere I want. So that sounds pretty good. And it's some kind of foam. It's pretty strong foam. It takes me some pressure to squeeze it down, so it's pretty strong foam. I don't know how long it'll last, but foam's pretty strong, so we'll see. If something happens to it, I'll do a review on it, but it seems pretty sturdy. Then you put all the bits in here. You just press them down into place like that. Okay, and all the different size adapters. 64-bit here, guys. Put one of the bits in. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it's magnetic, so it just snaps right into place. Just hold it up to it, right there. And then you can lock it down or take it off, because right here is this end of it. Let me see if I can take it off. Oh, there it is. You guys can see that. Like a quick release. And look how it extends out. So that's pretty cool. I like that. That's pretty cool. But that's the whole thing, guys. Just something cheap, guys, to get you started when you're going to be working on your electronics. Don't go overboard, you know, just to get you started out. And now let me go back to the Zacro 18-in-1. This is the prime. This is the prime kit. This one's for taking out all your screws. You know, there's some specialty screws, torque bits, inverted torques, all kind of stuff. And this will help you with those when you get in there. And they're small. It's just small electronics, okay? Then the next. This. Basically, these are for prying open devices. Small electronics. They're prying tools. So they're all kind of designs of different kind of prying tools. It's 18-in-1, so there are many different ones that'll help you pry the device apart to get inside and take it apart. Okay, so that's all why there's just different kinds of prying tools. Okay, so whatever you're working on, your cell phone, your tablet, small electronics devices, you use these prying tools. Now I've been doing my videos, I haven't been using these tools yet. So if you guys have seen the other videos, you've seen that I haven't been using these. I've just been using my screwdrivers, stuff like that. You know, normal people have. But if you want to get down to be professional about it and, you know, keep your device from breaking, then you're going to need some of these prying tools, okay? But I'm going to be starting to use these tools, so you're going to see them more when I'm taking apart electronic devices in the future. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you guys always for watching my videos. Bye bye.